Daktari Babanyuki, daktari wa kienyeji, daktari mwenye aliyepatikana hapa Kenya, anasaidia watu, anashughulikia watu, anasaidia kushika wizi, wenye wizi wanasumbua. You have things disturbing you, you have people disturbing your things. He can help you recover those things in just 2 hours. He can send peace, as you see in the video. He arrested those people who stole someone's car, Nambuzi. He sent them peace to look for them, brought them like he went straight to the owner to apologize them. Daktari Babanyuki specialized in very many things, like bringing back your partner, and they lost very many spiritual prophets. Try Dr. Babanyuki if you want to get better. He's located here in Kenya. Or call him directly on WhatsApp on +254 341 23 86 pamoja.